Hello, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. Very excited to have you here because in this video you will learn how you make $200 per hour using a website that has thousands of connections, money connections. I will show you step by step how to use this website, and I will give you my softwares, premium softwares, 100% free for you, so you actually make money without work. Now, I assume you are lazy just like me and you don't want to work more than 2 hours per day. And soon you will not be working at all but still making money. If this sounds nice, let's do this. We are on offervault.com. This is a pretty old website. Old means reputed. If we look at their traffic, they get 300,000 monthly visitors. Look at the details. They have 67% direct traffic. Direct traffic means this traffic, 67% of 300,000 people already know about them and they visit this website frequently. And remaining 28% traffic are from search engines. Now, why am I sharing you this? Because this is very important. Not only we will make money using this website, but also in this video, we will learn how this website makes money so we can use their strategy and make far more money and never stop making money. There is also a very interesting fact that most of the YouTubers will fail to tell you: the bounce rate of this website. The bounce rate means that traffic that comes and visit this website and then leave from the main page. This 36% traffic leave from the first page. Remaining 64% traffic stays on this website and visits multiple pages from here to there to there to there. So they stay longer period on this website. This builds a reputation in search engines, and search engines like Google consider this website as an important website, and they send them free ranking and free search engine organic traffic. Look at this. They have 28% organic free search engine traffic, and these are the couple of keywords where they get traffic from. Now again, don't worry if this sounds a little complicated, because everything will be easy for you as you watch this video, and all these problems that sounds like problems to you will be solved using my softwares. Links will be in the description, but don't go there right now. They will be there. You can use them later. Let's begin our journey and start making money. So Offer Vault. So you don't need to sign up using any kind of login page or sign up page to use this website. This website is a hub of networks, affiliate networks. This is not directly any network. They don't have any offer of themselves. All they did is curate or connect a lot other affiliate networks, and every affiliate network has their own offers. Let me show you. On the top you see filters. Click on the networks and you will find all these different networks on many different niches. You can choose your chosen one, or you can choose by the categories. These categories are basically niches. You can even choose by countries. Now, in this section, a little below, you see the list. This is the offers list, and this, the second tab, are the affiliate networks. All these networks have offers that you can promote and make money. I will come to money. Don't worry, I will make it extremely easy for you. Stay tuned. Let me first quickly show you how to navigate this website so you don't have to and look for here and there and waste time. We have done the navigation for you. Just keep watching this video. You will make money from this video. Now, when I use this website, I look at the offers first because I can easily see which network it's from the right column, which countries it's from this column, and how much money I'm going to make. Now, let's say I chose this offer, Fly Dubai. First of all, I will click on this network, open link in new tab. Now let's say I want to promote this offer on Max Bounty. So first I will click here Then I will click Run Offer and I see I'm on Max Bounty, the network. Here I have to sign in, or if I don't have an account yet, I have to sign up, and then I will be able to promote this offer. Now, the benefit of Offer Vault is all the curation of all these offers and the networks in one place, so I can choose what to promote. Now let's talk about how these guys are making money. These guys are making money from one little secret, and that secret is the true secret for every internet marketer or every internet related company or every internet marketing related company. Traffic. All they want is traffic. And all the links you see here are their referral links. The moment you click on any of these links and you sign up using this link, they will make money for a referral from the networks. Another way they make money is these advertisements. There is a place where you can advertise. All these banners you see, these are advertisements. So for every click generated on these banners, Offer Vault makes money. So traffic is the secret to success. Now let me break down $200 per hour. I told you that if you work 2 hours per day and you make $200 per hour, you will make $400 per day. Now $400 divided by 1,000. What is 1,000? Number of click or number of traffic per day. This is what you have to generate, and you will make 40 cents per click. On the average, it's easy to make 10 cents to 60 cents no matter what you promote. Whether it's a CPA offer or an affiliate offer, you just need to generate a link from all these offers. You just need to get your referral link or your affiliate link or your promotional link and send traffic to that link, and you will make 10 cents to 60 cents. On the average, 40 cents. Now, how to generate traffic? Pretty simple. Use my software, link in the description. You will see 2 softwares. One way is Pinterest. Pinterest is the easiest way to make money online. Pinterest is the easiest way to generate traffic online. In Pinterest, all you need to do is to publish an image and attach your link. That can be your website link and that can be your affiliate link. Example, the workathomewoman.com. Look at their Pinterest pins. Whenever they publish a post or a content in their website, they share that content with Pinterest. And I tell you what, all these images are taken from Canva templates, which is a free software. Basically, you can use most of their premium templates for free. And this website has 230,000 monthly visitors, 4% traffic from social media, and 53%, half of the social traffic comes from Pinterest. So Pinterest is an awesome source of traffic. Generate all this traffic to your website or send all the traffic to your affiliate or referral link and make money. Easy. It's extremely easy to make 40 cents per click. Link in the description will give you my software, AI software that will help you generate traffic from Pinterest. There will be another software in the same package that's also free that will help you build your own blog without writing a single content. But of course, you can use videos like us and publish your videos on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, all the video channels, and generate free traffic just like us. From this channel alone, we generated 20,000 views in last 28 days. For last few months, we have been generating approximately 700 to 1,000 views per day. All these views are traffic, and they click on our links and we make money from those clicks. That is exactly what Offer Vault does, and that is exactly what you can do from all the links in Offer Vault. And there are literally thousands and thousands of offers to promote. All you need is 1, 2, or maximum 10 offers on one or multiple niches of your choice, and send traffic from Pinterest or maybe Facebook or videos just like us. Use my software's link in the description and send all your traffic to your links and make all the money. Once your posts or contents draw attention in the social media sites like Pinterest and YouTube will push your contents to more and more viewers and visitors, and the traffic will keep rolling 100% free and completely automatically, reducing workload from you. And very soon you will be making $200 to $300 per hour without any work at all. But of course, you will be working because you want to make more and more money. So the secret is traffic when you want to make money online, no matter what you do. You can use your own time to make some money here and there, but that will not be a lot of money. A lot of money happens when you solve problems with your content for a lot of people, so they click your links, come back and follow your contents, subscribes to your channels, and follow you wherever you go. So use 1, 2, or 3 hours per day, but focus on creating contents that are informative, educative, and entertaining to your target audience, because that's the one way you will generate subscribers, leads, and traffic, and all this traffic will make you money. And my softwares, premium softwares, links in the description, will help you 100% free. So get them. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you make money. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next video. And use the share button. Share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts so everybody makes money. And this will be the biggest success. And we will consider our channel as successful channel if you make money. So please do inspire us by liking our videos, subscribing to our channel, and switching on the notification bell button and sharing our videos with your friends and family. And we will see you in the next video.